So in Roam, one of the annoying thing I find is actually the page is not wide enough. For instance, you look at here, right? There's pretty big gap between here and here. And that's 150% zoom in for Chrome. So if I go 100%, if you look at it, right? Look just how big the gap is. So it's really wasting a lot of space here when I'm reading or writing. So for me, there are two ways to fix it. One is you can tinker around CSS and then you customize whatever the page you want, but I don't really like to tinker too much on CSS. So I'm just gonna show you the second way. We just use the existing theme that Roam already provided. So in Roam, let's go back to 150% first, so we have a rough idea. So here in Roam, if you click on here, then there's something called Help Database. You click on that, then it gets you to the Roam theme page or Roam help page, and then you click on Roam theme. And if you look here on the team favorite, the number one is actually better Roam theme, and I actually like this page, which make it much wider. So what you need to do is just copy down the code here over to your Roam. So here, if I go to the Roam CSS page, so Roam CSS, right? So I already copied down this whole code here, and then I just need to switch this to CSS to turn it on. So if you look at this, right, you turn it on, then it looks something like that. It's pretty much similar to the default template, but the page is much wider. Let's go back to the page before that we have seen it before. So look here, you know, you look at the gap between, it's much smaller, and so you actually have more real estate to write. So this is much better than the default. Your monitor might be different, so it might look slightly different, but in my general experience using various monitor, it always makes this page wider than the default Roam. So hope this helps, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.